Your phone can pay for coffee in 2 seconds. But here is the scary part. Most beginners do not realize they can also lose money in 2 seconds if one tiny setting is off. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how digital wallets work, the different types, what is actually happening behind the scenes, and the simple setup that can dramatically reduce your risk. And near the end, I will share the one habit that makes digital wallets feel like magic for budgeting, instead of a trap that makes you overspend. Number 1. What a digital wallet really is. A digital wallet is an app or built-in phone feature that stores payment methods and lets you pay, send, or receive money digitally. Think of it like a real wallet, but instead of carrying plastic cards and cash, you carry secure digital versions of them. There are two common beginner misunderstandings. First, a digital wallet is not automatically a bank account. Some wallets connect to your bank, some connect to your debit card, some hold a balance inside the app. Second, using a digital wallet does not mean you are buying crypto. Most digital wallet use in everyday life is normal dollars. Example, you add your debit card to a wallet and tap your phone at a grocery store checkout. You are still paying with your debit card. The wallet is just the way you present it. Number 2. The 3 big types of digital wallets. Most beginner wallets fall into 3 categories. Type 1 is tap-to-pay wallets. These are built into phones and watches. You tap your device at a payment terminal. This is the one people use at stores. Type 2 is peer-to-peer payment wallets. These help you send money to friends and family fast. Think splitting dinner or paying your share of rent.
Type 3 is stored value wallets. These can hold money inside the app itself. Some are tied to gift cards, store apps, transit apps, or online platforms. Example, tap to pay for your coffee, peer-to-peer to pay your friend back for concert tickets, stored value for a food delivery app where you keep a balance for faster checkout. Number 3. What happens when you tap to pay? Let us make it simple and visual. Step 1. You unlock your phone. Step 2. You approve the payment with face, fingerprint, or passcode. Step 3. Your phone sends a special one-time code to the terminal. Step 4. The merchant never sees your actual card number in many cases. Step 5. Your bank or card network approves and the payment goes through. This is why tap to pay can be safer than handing over a physical card. If a thief copies your card number from a skimmer, that can be a problem. But with token-style payments, the merchant gets a unique digital token instead of your real card details in many setups. Example, you buy gas. If the pump has a skimmer, swiping your card can expose your card info. Using tap to pay at the terminal inside can reduce that risk in many cases. Number 4. How sending money works in peer-to-peer wallets. Peer-to-peer wallets feel like texting money, but you should know what is actually happening. When you send money, the app can pull funds from a connected bank account, a connected debit card, a connected credit card, or your wallet balance. The speed, fees, and protections can change depending on which funding method you pick. Step-by-step example. Step 1, you choose your friend. Step 2, you type $25. Step 3, you pick funding source like bank or debit. Step 4, the app processes and your friend gets it. The big beginner trap is this. If you send money to the wrong person, you may not be able to reverse it. These apps are designed for fast transfers, not for undo buttons, so you must slow down for 1 second before hitting send. Example, 2 contacts named Mike. One is your coworker, one is a random old number. If you send $80 to the wrong Mike, you might have to beg for it back. Number 5. The hidden costs people miss. Digital wallets can be free, but some features can quietly cost money. Instant transfer fees. Many apps offer a free transfer that takes longer and a paid transfer that is instant. Credit card funding fees. Some wallets charge fees if you fund a transfer using a credit card. Merchant fees. Usually the merchant pays, not you, but it can show up as higher prices over time. Foreign transaction issues. If you use a wallet while traveling, your underlying card rules still apply. Example, you get paid by a friend on Friday night and you want the money instantly. The app offers instant deposit for a small fee. If you do that every week, it adds up. If you can wait 1 or 2 business days, you keep more of your money. Number 6, the security settings that matter the most. Remember the setting I teased at the start? Here it is, but I'm going to give it to you as a simple checklist you can do in 5 minutes. Step 1. Turn on a screen lock, passcode, fingerprint, or face. No lock means no wallet safety. Step 2. Turn on 2-step verification on the wallet account. Step 3. Turn on transaction alerts so you know instantly if money moves. Step 4. Use a strong, unique password for the wallet if it uses passwords. Step 5. Turn on Require Authentication for every purchase or the closest option your device offers.
That last one is the biggest deal. If your phone can pay without you approving it, that is the weak link. Make it require face, fingerprint, or passcode every single time. Example, you drop your phone at a mall. If your wallet requires face or passcode, the person who finds it cannot just tap and buy things. Without that requirement, you are relying on luck. Number 7. What if your phone gets lost or stolen? Most beginners panic and assume the money is gone, but you have options if you act fast. Step 1. Use your phone's Find My Device feature to lock it. Step 2. If you cannot recover it quickly, erase it remotely. Step 3. Log into your wallet account from another device and remove the lost phone from trusted devices. Step 4. Call your bank if your underlying card may be at risk. Also, keep in mind that peer-to-peer apps can be used from any phone if someone gets your login. That is why 2-step verification and alerts matter. Example, if someone steals your phone but cannot unlock it, they might still try to reset passwords. Alerts can warn you that a login attempt happened before money moves. Number 8. Debit, credit, or bank transfer. Which one should you use? This is where beginners accidentally choose the wrong tool. Debit card-connected payments can be fast and convenient, but if fraud happens, your money might be tied up while the bank investigates. Credit card-connected payments can add a buffer because you are not spending cash from your checking account, but watch out for fees and interest if you carry a balance. Bank transfers can be cheap, but sometimes slower. A simple beginner rule. For everyday tap-to-pay at stores, using a credit card inside the wallet can add an extra layer of protection if you pay the card off in full. For peer-to-peer transfers to friends, use bank or debit and always double-check the person. Example, you tap to pay for groceries using a credit card saved in your wallet. Then you pay that card balance in full at the end of the month. You get convenience and potentially rewards without paying interest. Number 9. Digital wallets and budgeting, the sneaky truth. Digital wallets can help you control spending, or they can make spending feel invisible. The difference is how you set them up. Here's the habit I promised. Use one wallet for spending and one for sending. Spending wallet. Use it for tap to pay and connect it to one main card you track closely. Sending wallet. Use it for peer-to-peer transfers only and keep a small balance or link it to a separate account if possible. Then do this. Set a weekly limit in your mind and do a 2-minute check-in. Many people underestimate how fast small taps add up. Research on friction and spending behavior shows that when paying feels easier, people tend to spend more. So your job is to add a tiny bit of awareness back into the process. Example, if every snack is just a tack, you might spend $8 here, $12 there, and suddenly you are down $120 by the end of the week with no memory of it. A quick check of your wallet transaction list can stop that pattern. Number 10. Rewards, cashback, and the real rules. Some digital wallets offer deals, cashback, or rewards through the underlying card or through promotions. Here is the beginner-safe way to think about rewards. Rewards are a bonus for spending you were already going to do. Rewards are not a reason to spend. Also remember, rewards depend on the card,
the merchant category, and sometimes the payment method, you might get different results if you use a debit card versus a credit card. Example, your credit card offers 3% back on dining. You add that card to your wallet. When you tap at a restaurant, you still get the dining reward in many cases, but if you switch to debit, you usually lose that reward. Number 11, privacy and data, what you should know. People ask, is my wallet tracking me? A digital wallet can store transaction history, merchants keep receipts, card networks process payments, and apps often collect basic usage data. The important thing is to control what you can. Step by step. Step 1. Review privacy settings inside the wallet app. Step 2. Turn off unnecessary data sharing if options exist. Step 3. Avoid linking every account to one wallet if you want separation. Step 4. Be careful with public Wi-Fi when logging in to financial apps. Example, if you are at an airport on public Wi-Fi, do not log into a wallet app and reset passwords. Wait for a secure connection or use your mobile data. Number 12, the red flags that tell you to stop and think. Digital wallets are convenient, and scammers love convenience. Red flag 1, someone pressures you to send money fast. Red flag 2, a stranger asks you to verify by sending money first. Red flag 3, you get a message that looks urgent like your account is locked and it pushes you to click something. Red flag 4, someone asks you to move money to protect it. The safest move is simple. Slow down. Open the official app yourself. Do not follow random links. And if you are unsure, contact support through the official website or app store listing. Example, you get a text saying your wallet is frozen. Click here. Instead, you open the wallet app normally. If there is a real issue, it will show inside the app. Number 13. Online shopping with a wallet, the one-click trap. Digital wallets make online checkout almost too easy. That is great for speed, but it can also make you buy things you did not plan to buy. Step by step. Step 1. Turn off Save as Default for certain stores if you tend to impulse buy. Step 2. Use a separate card in your wallet for online shopping with a lower limit if possible. Step 3. Before you hit pay, read the final total out loud. It sounds silly, it works. Example, you go online to buy an $18 phone case. 2 taps later, you accidentally added express shipping and a warranty, and it becomes $36. The wallet did not trick you. The speed removed your pause. Your pause is your power. Number 14. Returns and refunds, where your money goes. Refunds can feel confusing with digital wallets because the wallet is not the bank, it's the middle layer. Here's what usually happens. The store sends the refund back to the same card or account you used. Then your bank posts it. That can take time. Step by step. Step 1. Save the receipt or order confirmation. Step 2. Track refunds by looking at the original card account, not just the wallet screen. Step 3. If you replaced a card, refunds still usually route correctly, but it can take longer. Example, you return shoes you bought with Tap to Pay. The store says refund complete. You check your wallet and do not see it. 2 days later, it appears on your credit card statement as a posted credit. Number 15. Kids, teens, and family wallets, the smart setup. Families often want convenience without chaos. The best move is to set clear boundaries. Step by step. Step 1. Decide who can spend and who can only view. Step 2. Use a dedicated family spending card for shared purchases. Step 3. Turn on notifications for every transaction. Step 4. Set a simple rule like ask first for anything over $25. Example, your phone dies at a train station. If your ticket is in a transit wallet and your only card is on your phone, you are stuck. A backup card and a small battery pack can save your whole day. Number 17. Small businesses and side hustles, getting paid the right way. If you freelance, sell online, or run a small side hustle, a digital wallet can help you get paid fast, but you need clean separation for sanity. Step by step.
Step 1. Use a dedicated wallet profile or dedicated account for business if the app allows it. Step 2. Keep business income separate from personal spending. Step 3. Export or record transactions monthly so tax time is less stressful. Step 4. Be clear with clients about how they should label payments. Example, you do a logo design for $150. If that money lands in the same wallet you use for snacks and subscriptions, it disappears. If it lands in a dedicated business wallet, you can see profit clearly and pay yourself on purpose. Number 18. Chargebacks and disputes. What protection you actually have. Beginners often assume the wallet will fix every problem, but disputes depend on the underlying payment method and the situation. General idea. Credit cards usually have stronger dispute processes for unauthorized charges or merchant problems. Debit cards can still have protections, but your money may be tied up during investigation. Peer-to-peer transfers are often treated like cash. If you sent it on purpose, it may not be reversible. Example, you buy headphones online. They never arrive. If you paid through a credit card saved in your wallet, you may be able to dispute with the card issuer. But if you sent money peer-to-peer to a stranger, that is a very different story. Number 19. The multiple wallet myth and the simple best practice. Some people install 5 different wallets and think more apps means more safety. More apps often means more confusion. A smarter approach is one primary wallet for daily life, plus one backup method you rarely use. Step by step. Step 1. Pick one main wallet that you will actually manage. Step 2. Add one primary card and one backup card. Step 3. Delete old, unused cards from the wallet.
Step 4. Review transaction history weekly for 2 minutes. Example, if you have 3 wallets and you forget which one is linked to which card, you can miss a charge for weeks. Fewer moving parts means fewer surprises. Number 20. The 5-minute digital wallet setup for beginners. If you only remember one thing, remember this setup. Step 1. Screen lock on. Strong passcode. Face or fingerprint enabled. Step 2. Wallet requires authentication for every purchase. Step 3. 2-step verification turned on for the wallet account. Step 4. Alerts on for payments, transfers, and new logins. Step 5. One main payment method you track closely, plus one backup. Example, when your wallet is set up like this, it becomes boring in the best way. No drama, no mystery charges that sit unnoticed, just fast payments you can control. Digital wallets are not just a trendy thing, they're becoming a default way money moves. If you understand the types, you know what is happening when you tap, and you set up security the right way. You get speed without losing safety. And if you use the budgeting habit we covered, you can make spending visible again, even when it only takes 1 second. Now I'm curious, what part of digital wallets confuses you the most right now? Online shopping, refunds, family setup, travel, or getting paid for a side hustle? Tell me in the comments.